welcome to How to Housewife. Today I've got a couple of sous chefs helping me out. I am going to be making Passionfruit Melting Moments. So I'm really excited to do this one because one of my comments in a previous video was a request from a subscriber for melting moments. So here it comes.
Okay, so with this recipe we've got ingredients for our biscuit dough and ingredients for the icing that's going to go in the middle of the biscuits. So grab 250 grams of softened butter. So either leave it out until it's a bit soft or zap it in the microwave for just long enough for it to start softening. This one is giving me a bit of a hard time. Okay, so now we're going to whip it. And now we're going to add the icing sugar. I believe it's called powdered sugar in America. I could be wrong, but if it's sweet and powdery and you make icing with it, it's the same stuff. And add the custard powder. Once again, give it a bit of a stir so it doesn't snowstorm when you start the beater. So the custard powder is going to make this look a bit like an Oompa Loompa colour, but as you mix it in, it'll go more yellow, kind of like if you blended up SpongeBob SquarePants. And there's SquarePants now. Okay, so I'm going to try and add a tablespoon of passionfruit pulp without getting any seeds in installments, and I do not recommend doing it this way. I thought it would be easier, but save yourself some time and just get a strainer. So just mix the passionfruit pulp through. And then we're going to add the flour. So we're going to sift in 1.5 cups of plain flour. And at this point I'm using a wooden spoon only because I find if you use a beater, it can make the dough go really tough. So just keep giving that a stir until it all comes together. Okay, so we've got our baking tray with our baking paper on it, and we're just going to get little bits of the dough, roll them out, press them down and pop them on the tray. Once they're all on the tray, we're going to put them in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. I gave in and got a strainer. See how much easier that was? And add the icing sugar, or powdered sugar as I've heard it referred to on a few different cooking channels that I watch. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, but let me know if powdered sugar means something else. I'd hate to find out like 2 years down the track that it actually means cocaine or something crazy like that. Alright, so that icing has got a beautiful consistency. And we've skipped ahead to where the biscuits are cool. Do not try and do this on hot biscuits. I am adding the icing mixture to half of the biscuits, and then we're going to put the other ones on top of them. So these biscuits are actually way too big. You should be able to get double the amount that I've got here out of your batch. I haven't allowed for the fact that they expand in the oven, and they're more like melting moment hamburgers than biscuits. And there we have it. Hamburger size melting moments. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit the like button and let me know in the comments below if you have any requests for future videos.
Okay, ready? Hello and welcome to How to Housewife. Today I've got my little sous chef James here, who's going to help me make melting moments. I'll do that again. Jonas, shush! Stop. Hello and welcome to How to Housewife. Oh my goodness, I think I'm gonna have to go get it.